In this video, I'm going to show you how to work out your nail sizes using our sizing kits. For this method, you would first have to go onto the site and order yourself a sizing kit. This obviously takes a little bit longer because you're going to have to wait for your kit to be delivered to you. However, this is the most accurate method you could use. When you receive this kit, you will get a set of each individual nail size with the sizes noted on them so you can work out your accurate sizes. These tips, by the way, do not reflect the strength of the press-ons that you will be ordering. These are just plain blank tips with no products on them. They're purely just to be used for working out your sizes. So let's get into how to actually use them. You're going to want to grab one of the sizes off your kit, any size that you think might fit your nail, and hold it over your natural nail. As you can see here, I've gone for a size 1 and it is way too small for my thumb. It's leaving a huge gap on the side of the press-on, so that size would be no good for me, and I'm going to need to size up. So I'll put that back on the kit and grab the next size up, which is a size 0, and you can see this is lying a lot more flush on my thumbnail and it fits a lot better. So that one is a perfect size for me. So now I know that my thumb is a size 0. So you can use the size guide as well to work out your sizes, whether they're going to be fitting into the large, medium, small, or if you're going to have to get a custom size made. I would recommend having a pen and paper to hand when you're doing this, just so you can jot down your nail sizes for each hand to keep track. So then you're just going to want to use this same method for every single finger, measuring up different sizes tips until you find the ones that fit you right. As you can see here, I've got a size 5 on my ring finger and that was too small, it was leaving a gap. So I'm then going to go up to the size 4, which is the larger size, and you can see that this fits way nicer. It's flush to my nail, it's not leaving a huge gap either side. So I'm just grabbing the next size up here, which is a size 3, to show you what it's like if they're slightly too large as well. So you can see here that the size 3 is slightly hanging over my natural nail and it's touching the skin, which you do not want. You need something that's going to fit flush onto your natural nail. So this one's overhanging, so I know for definite that the size 4 is the perfect size for that finger. So I'm going to show you one more. I'm going to size up my pinky here. So I've gone for the very smallest size on the kit, which is a size 9 for this kit. And you can see it's leaving a little gap right on the edge of my pinky finger. So I'm going to go for the next size up, which is a size 8. When the camera stops blurring, you'll be able to see that it's leaving, once again, just a very, very slightest gap. It's not by much. I probably could get away with that size 8 if I wanted to, but I'm going to go up again to the size 7. And you can see that this is the perfect flush fit to my finger. So a size 7 is an absolute perfect fit for my little finger. So it's always worth, the size 8 you probably would have thought would fit, it's always worth to just check the other sizes as well, just to make sure that you have got the best fit for your fingers. Another thing I wanted to quickly address is the shapes. As you can see here, I've picked up a square sizing kit as opposed to the almond one I was just using. I get asked this a lot, will I have to order a separate sizing kit for each shape? The short answer is no, you shouldn't have to. Generally speaking, no matter what supplier we use, the tips can vary very slightly in size depending on the shape, but I will personally measure those and make sure that they match up to the sizes that I am quoting on my sizing guide. So as you can see here, I've been picking up the same sizes off this square kit that I was using from the almond kit, and they're matching up the same on each finger. This here is the size 7 for the pinky and it fits just as nicely as the almond one did. So generally speaking, you shouldn't have to worry about the sizes fitting differently for the different shapes. You should still be able to use the one kit. I hope this was helpful. If you need any more support, please feel free to drop me a DM or an email and I will get back to you as soon as I can.